Hello friends, in this video we are going to see new fund offering of HDFC Multicap Mutual Fund from HDFC Mutual Fund AMC. Before we go ahead with this video, let us understand some basic information about HDFC Mutual Fund House. This HDFC Mutual Fund House got established in the year 1999. Its headquarters is located at Mumbai, India. The official mutual fund website of HDFC AMC is hdfcfund.com. When you visit the website, you will be able to see all the funds offering from HDFC Mutual Fund House. They are offering more than 117 mutual fund types, which includes debt, equity, balanced, and some ETFs. Without any further delays, let us get started with HDFC Multicap new fund offering. Let us start with some basic information about HDFC Multicap fund offering. The new fund offer has opened on November 23, 2021. The offer is going to end on December 7, 2021. Once the offer has ended, the allotment will be done on December 10th, 2021. The NAV is going to be 10 rupees per unit. All of the NFOs will have the same amount. This HDFC Multicap fund is going to be open-ended fund. It indicates that even if you miss the subscription window, you will be able to invest in this fund once it is allotted to the new investors. As the name suggests, it is going to fall under equity multi-cap category. The main objective of this fund is to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in a diversified portfolio manner, which in simple terms means this fund is going to invest in all categories of stocks in the Indian market, which is going to be listed in Nifty 500 total return index. It will invest in stocks which are listed under small cap, mid cap, and large cap. When you consider the minimum investment that you need to have with you before you subscribe to this NFO is going to be 5,000 rupees. It is going to be the first time investment. After the allotment, if you try to invest, you have to start with minimum 5,000 as an investment. After the first time investment, you can start your SIP with a minimum amount of 500 rupees onwards. The benchmark being used to track the performance is going to be Nifty 500 multi-cap 50:25:25 index. It means that minimum 25% of the money should be invested in small cap, mid cap, as well as large cap stocks. The remaining 25% can be allotted dynamically as per the preference of the fund manager. Let us discuss the exit load of this fund. If you have invested and you are trying to redeem the money within 12 months from the time of investment, for the first 10% of your investment, you do not need to pay any amount as a penalty. In case you try to redeem more than 10% of your investment, you have to pay penalty of 1%, that is called as exit load. Let us quickly look at the fund manager information. This fund is going to be managed by Kobal Agarwal, who is already managing 12 categories of equity funds from HDFC Mutual Fund House, and he has got experience of more than 20 years in this field. The total asset under his management is around 9,685 crores. Let us look at the riskometer associated with this HDFC Multicap fund. Since it falls under equity category of multicap, the risk is going to be very high. Most of the multicap fund will fall under the high risk category. Let us see the asset allocation pattern of this HDFC Multicap fund. As I mentioned earlier, minimum 25% has to be allocated to the large cap, as well as 25% has to be allocated to the mid cap category of the stocks. Out of remaining 50%, minimum 25% has to be used to buy stocks which are listed under small cap category. The remaining 25% can be dynamically allocated by the fund manager's preference, but he has to ensure that minimum 25% is allocated in all large cap, mid cap, and small cap categories of the stocks. In this section, we will see who can consider investing in this HDFC Multicap fund. The investors who is seeking for capital appreciation over long term, which is more than 3 years or 5 years period of time, and the investor who is planning to get invested their money in all categories of the stocks in Nifty 500. If you are an investor who doesn't want to get invested only in large cap categories of the stocks, then you can consider investing in this kind of multi-cap stocks which has exposure to all categories of the Indian stocks. It is always recommended before you subscribe to an NFO, it's better to identify the funds which are listed already in the market in the same category. In the next section, I will show you some of the best performing multi-cap funds that also you can consider before you subscribe to this NFO. Let's get into that information. Now we have come to the end of the video. So far we have seen full details about HDFC Multi-Cap Fund NFO. I hope you liked this video. If you liked, please subscribe to our channel for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.